Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to earn money online without investment. I had a couple subscribers ask me about this, and this is something that you may know about already, but I thought I'd just let you know, just in case you didn't. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, we're going to talk about Fiverr. This is a website where you can go to get services. And so this is something where you can offer your services. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can use this site. The first one is called digital arbitrage. You might have heard of retail arbitrage, which I've done, where you go out and you buy a product and then you sell it on Amazon for a profit. It's called FBA. But you can also do that with digital products. So you aren't actually the one performing the service, just kind of like retail arbitrage. You don't own that product. You're sending it to the customer when they buy it. So what you do with digital arbitrage is you go to Craigslist and you find people who are looking for whatever services that are offered on Fiverr. Like, for example, if you need you find someone on Craigslist that needs a logo design, you can go to then Fiverr and find someone who does that for a lower price, and then you contact the person on Craigslist, you ask them what kind of price they're looking at, and then you find someone who can do it for them, who obviously has a lot of good reviews. Like this one here has over 1,000 reviews, so this is a good person to use, and it starts at 30. So you may charge like $100 and get someone who's really good here on Fiverr to fulfill that service for them. So you will take the money, you'll take the payment, and then you just go to Fiverr and buy the gig and tell them exactly what your client wants. So that's the first way, digital arbitrage. The second way, obviously, is to come in here and offer your services. I'm going to tell you a couple that I have used and that I think that would be very beneficial to people. First of all is ad posting services. A lot of home businesses now are realizing that they can go to classified ads and post ads to get leads and sales. So you can come in here and offer your services of posting ads, which is super simple to do. You can sign up for all these free classified ad sites, and then you just go post whatever they tell you to post, and you can charge. You can see some of these are charging $10 and $5. So that's one thing. The other thing is that if you can find a service that people need and you offer it at, let's say you do it quicker than anyone else, then you can get that gig over and over and over again. I'm going to show you an example. I use Fiverr to do my thumbnails for my videos, which I haven't done in a while. I've done a lot of them myself recently, but I found someone who, I think it's this guy right here. Yeah. Now he charges more, but he says that he'll do them in an hour. Now, I found out when I bought it, it wasn't an hour. Of course, there's a time difference. I don't remember where he lives, but other side of the country. So it was nighttime when I bought it. I mean, it was the middle of the morning when I bought it. But I asked him later, and he said, yes, he used to do that, and he should actually change this on here. But he said he gets at least 20 orders a day. And I think the reason, number one, is he's really good. He's really good at what he does. But also, he's different than anyone else. He says he does it in an hour. Now, if you could actually do that, if you could make thumbnails like this, and you could actually do this in an hour, you could get a lot of business. And I'd be kind of surprised if he hasn't lost business, because it does say in an hour, and it took him a day. So this is like something that a marketer would want like right away, like they made a video and they want a thumbnail like right away, something that is really good like this that they can't do themselves, then that would be a very valuable service that you could offer. And if you could actually get it done in an hour and you got 20 orders a day, that's $200 a day. So I guess he just can't keep up with all the business. But I don't think that there's anyone else on here, let me see, that does YouTube thumbnails in an hour. I know there's a lot of people that do thumbnails. Yeah, these are 12 hours. So I think that would be a good gig to do. Of course, there's a lot of other things that you can do on Fiverr. Any kind of graphic design that you would do, any social media marketing, helping people post on social media, people that have a home business that just don't have the time to do this, any kind of writing, video, animation, any type of audio, things like that. So that's one site. And one more, just in case you don't know about it, is Upwork. And you can go here and offer your services as a freelancer and get paid there as well. So those are just a couple of ideas of how you can earn money without investment. If you guys have any other things that you do to earn money online without investment, leave a comment below the video so you can let others know about it. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, this is obviously an investment, but if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that will be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and check that out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.